Just build. Time to see what other terrible buildings I could build. Let's just see what our topic is.
The next day.
No. Screw that. I'm not gonna be able to do the mouth. Alright, you know, this will be fine. This one's gonna be fine. I think this one has a pretty good chance of winning. I'm questioning people's, I'm questioning this one here. Meh. Next one. Okay, it's a baby spider. Well, I mean, I want to win, so meh. I want to win, so meh. Oh, okay, this one's actually not that bad. Not that bad. It's not that bad, actually. I might go... Yeah, this one's actually okay. But I still want to win, so meh. No, I'm just kidding. It's okay. It's okay. This spider needs some help. So I'm gonna give it a meh. That's literally it. This spider is a meh. It's just a meh. Oh yeah, real man spider right here. Real man spider. Yeah, the face is questionable, but the legs, the buttocks, this is all a spider right here. Yeah, give me some of those greens. This one's gonna win. This one's gonna win. I won. It's I told you, it's a GG. Basically mine, but mine was better. So meh. I don't know what that's supposed to be, but that's a little spider. Meh. I don't know what this is supposed to be. Is this supposed to be its little hidey hole? I'm pretty sure it's probably going to be its little hidey hole. There's like a little entrance. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Oh. This is not a spider. It's an abomination. Meh. It's just a meh. Alright. Oh, okay. Okay, buddy. Oh, your face is... Your face is kind of... Meh. It's meh. Like... Okay, I see what they were trying to go to. I could see that it should be a go... Whoa. Okay, it's shooting webs, but that face is not right. And what are these legs? This one is obviously a love. No. It's a meh. This thing's a meh. Meh. Oh yeah, first place. That's how you get first place. One meh. Are you high? Oh yeah. Look at that spider. Mine spider. My spider. Okay, I freaking won. I'm better at building than all y'all. Y'all are trash. I'm just the greatest. I'm just that good. Alright, game number 2! Alright, game number 2. Let's see what our topic is. Give us something really good. Okay. I don't know what to draw for this. A pirate? How the... Oh my god. Oh, for fuck's sakes. Alright, a pirate. I don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do. I don't. Oh crap! All right, we're gonna give it a try. I'm wasting time. Pirate, I'll give you like a black legs or something. I don't know what to do. My controller messed up. Okay. Let's just do this. These are the little feet. This is his little feet. There you go. Remember, it's a pirate. This is his little feety. And maybe he has some gold. Stupid controller. Maybe he has a block. He has gold down there. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, these are just his little feet. We can fix. No, we can fix this. Okay. Alright, there's gonna be some short pirate. Alright, I don't know what to do, man. Ooh, I got an idea. Where's Bones? Bones. Where the hell are the bones? Oh my goodness, bones. No, not that. Bones. It's gonna be like a skeleton. A skeleton pirate. Oh my god, I'm a genius. I'm a freaking genius. Okay. Come on. Oh my god, I'm a freaking genius. Oh, if this doesn't get first place, then I'm just quitting. Okay, that's the thing. Time for your arms. Okay, how many? Okay, that's fine. What? Okay, head for the head. We'll just, you know what? It's gonna be a two-dimensional. I don't care. I'm messing up here. Do that. Screw it. Do that. Okay, there. Okay, this is the dumbest pirate I ever seen, but it's fine. That's even dumb. I need to do a sword or something. Sword. Screw it. A little iron sword, maybe. I need the wood. There. Okay, Okay, we're doing this. Get rid of that. Wait, no. Why is that? No. Oh god, I'm messing up. That's just a little sword. It's fine. You know, no. Let's just. All right, he has a sword. He's a pirate. And he has a derp face. Yep. That's perfect. I'm not winning this thing. What the hell is this thing? Look at it. It's disgusting. Oh, are you serious? The first. I tried my best, man. I tried my best. Wait, why are there so little people? Huh? So many people left because they saw pirate. Oh my god, man. Hey, yeah, there's no doubt about this. Meh. Don't put you love this. No, you don't. Fuck that. No, no, no. He's even nodding to it, too. No, 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 no. I don't really care. Oh my god. I gotta give this one a meh. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. Now you ain't gonna win! Okay, that was just terrible. Okay, now he's in tears. Oh, I'm sorry. This is just bad. Okay, why are all the pirates, like, mostly deformed? Meh. I think I won this one, to be honest. Never mind, I lost. Meh. I mean, it's actually pretty good. I want to give it an actual good, but I want to win, so meh. Come on, let me win. I won. Watch, it's a GG. God damn it, this one is actually... I want to give it a meh. I'm giving it a meh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I want to win. I'm desperate. I got second place. You know what? By 1 point. By 1 point. Is it the... This one? This... I'm out of here. This game's trash. I'm out of here.